The Brightown 45-piece flatware set provides a complete service for 8, including all the essential utensils plus a few serving pieces, so a family dinner or small gathering feels fully equipped. Its stainless steel construction feels solid in the hand and stands up well to everyday use without the annoying bending or warping that cheaper sets often suffer from. The sleek black finish and mirror-like polish give the table a modern, upscale look that pairs just as well with casual plates as with more formal dinnerware. Handles are smoothly contoured with a comfortable weight and balance, so even long meals or multiple courses do not leave your hands feeling tired. The set holds up nicely in the dishwasher when cared for properly, which makes cleanup straightforward for busy households that use it every day. Because it looks refined enough for guests, yet tough enough for daily meals, this set works just as well for home kitchens as it does for parties, holidays, or even as a thoughtful housewarming gift.